A rework technician is a person that is trained to repair circuit boards and other assemblies here in the company. My name is Troy Baker, and I'm a rework technician. I've worked with RiverSide Integrated Solutions for 7 years now. My job consists of working with a test technician who diagnoses the deficiencies on a board, broken components, burned out components and that, and my job is to remove them and replace them. We will create some assemblies and they'll go to functional test, and if they fail functional test, then they'll go to debug. The test technician will diagnose it and then return it to me, and then I will do the repairs that he requests, and then I will return it to test. RiverSide is fantastic at promoting from within. They are very, very helpful and encouraging. So I chose RiverSide based on what I had heard from other people that worked here, on the training that I could receive and the advancement that I could do. You can come here with zero skills and they will teach you everything you need to know and help you right along the way. You more than likely be teamed with a mentor, and you can work your way up little by little at your own pace. Everyone that I've met here and that I know of is very eager to learn. They have a good work ethic, and they come with a vast majority of skills. There's a great bunch of people here. It's just enjoyable to come to work, and no matter what I do during the day, any given person I work with is a very pleasant person. It's a pretty easy company to work for. Don't wait, jump in, feet first, do it.